embrace of a tiny house, every corner whispers stories of simplicity and serenity. Within the sturdy frame of a house, memories are etched like lines in timber, standing tall against time's relentless tide. In the snug confines of a tiny house, dreams bloom in cozy corners, where space is not measured in square feet but in the depth of contentment. It's the timbered embrace of a frame house. Echoes of laughter and love resonate, weaving a tapestry of warmth and belonging. Within the delicate walls of a tiny house, life's grandeur is distilled into the poetry of minimalism, where every nook becomes a sanctuary. In the skeleton of a frame house, aspirations take shape, each beam a testament to the vision and craftsmanship that build homes and dreams alike. In this video, we delve into the intricate details and design elements that make our tiny home stand out. From the quaint porch to the carefully crafted windows, every aspect of the front of our tiny house is a testament to thoughtful design and functionality. Join us as we showcase the exterior features that make our tiny house a cozy haven. Whether you're seeking inspiration for your own tiny home or simply appreciate clever design, this video offers a closer look at the front of our beloved abode. Don't forget to subscribe for more glimpses into tiny house living. Our cozy tiny house tour, where simplicity meets functionality. Join us as we take you through every nook and cranny of this beautifully designed tiny home, showcasing how you can live comfortably with less. From the compact kitchen to the clever storage solutions, this tiny house is a testament to minimalist living. Get inspired to downsize, declutter, and embrace a simpler lifestyle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tiny house adventures.